Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecilia Hall, and my YouTube channel is Cecilia Hall's Word. I do a lot of DIY, home decor on budget and design on budget. I also do a lot of healthy meal. I do a lot of life hack like beauty vlog and all that. And for today's video, I'll be showing us how to make 100% carrot oil for body. This carrot oil, you can actually use it to lighten your skin naturally, to brighten your skin, and you can use it on different skin color types. You can use it on young, you can use it on old, you can use it on your baby. It's safe. I will be using natural ingredients to make this 100% carrot oil. And for today, I have a couple of carrots, which I'll be washing and grating. And I'll be frying this carrot, grated carrot. I'll be adding some forms of vegetable glycerine just to serve as a preservative. And vegetable glycerine is also good for the body. If you want your body to look subtle like baby skin, if you want your body to glow naturally, you can use glycerine, but I'll be using it as a form of preservative in this oil. And I have 100% coconut oil, which I'll be using to fry the carrots. And I have different types of oil here, essential oil. I have rosemary, tea tree oil, peppermint, lavender, the orange oil. I'll be using the lavender, the orange oil, because these can actually help you to brighten your skin naturally. So those are the things I'll be using there. And I'll be adding a little bit of shea butter just to thicken the oil. So these are the ingredients I'll be using today to make my 100% carrot oil. Let's dive in. I love you all. Please love this video, like, share, and subscribe so that I can keep bringing educative video along your way. Thank you so much. It's still your girl Cecilia Ho. Let's dive in. So here is the grated carrot that I'll be using for the carrot, 100% carrot oil. And here are the ingredients I'll be adding. Grated carrot. So what I'm doing now is to fry the grated carrot in 100% coconut oil, and here's the oil that I use. I'm making 100% natural carrot oil, so I'm frying it. I'm going to fry this for 15 minutes. I'll be doing it on slow heat. Then it's needed that we should turn it, try to mix it consistently for the next 15 minutes when this will be frying. So I'm making 100% natural carrot oil, which is good for body. You can see the carrot is getting into the oil already. So I'll fry on slow heat for 15 minutes. So the the 100% carrot natural oil is ready. And what I'm going to do now is I'll let this sit for less than 24 hours and let it cool down. Then I'll add the glycerine, I'll add some shea butter, and this will be ready. And this can be used on different skin color types. It can be used on your baby, children, adults, and this can actually brighten our skin naturally. Thank you. So here's the grated carrot, which I fried in the 100% coconut oil, and this is done. I'm just going to strain the oil out of the carrot, and I'll be adding some preservative so that this oil can last for a while. Can you pause this? So Here's the 100% natural coconut carrot oil that I made, which we can use to brighten our skin. And to preserve this oil, I'll be adding some glycerine, vegetable glycerine. This is also good for body, and I'm using this as preservative. So I added some glycerine into this to preserve the oil so that it doesn't grow mold and all that. So I added the glycerine, and this is the 100% natural carrot oil, which you can use to brighten your skin color, and it can be used by all skin color types, and it can also be used on baby, on children, on adults. And this is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Who's Word, where I upload different educative videos like this. And don't forget to like this video, share with your loved ones, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you so much.